Yeah, the CD changer, didn't it?
No, CD changer.
Yeah, but there's RCA, is that don't
Yeah, CD changer.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, RCA. The old school one, yeah. Because we can leave all that as it is, cut all that out, like however wide we need to cut it out, make it come up at an angle like that. Easy.
Easy when you're not doing it.
Who's going to be doing it?
I don't know, not me.
Guys, welcome back to the Deranged Times Liberty Walk 308 build, and today just wanted to give you an update on where we are. As you can see, we've got most of the car back to bare metal just to see what damage is around it, and looking around it, there's some bits that are really bad, but actually overall I don't think it's too bad. I think, you know, it's obviously a US car, pretty much dry weather. There's some really bad bits like this door, which is basically falling apart, so I need a door. If anyone knows anyone, definitely need a door for that. This has had some drama, so which I think we said about in the last video. We had a little look at that, but I mean, exposing that more, I mean, there's a hole right through there. Someone's obviously welded a bit in there, or whatever this is, brazed. Doesn't look like proper welding, but anyway, don't know what's happened there, but anyway, that needs to be addressed. I've got some ideas for this. I think we're going to get, obviously the windows have got to come out. The fuel tank's the other side here, the fuel filler, so it might get in the way of my plans, but I like the idea of having the ducts in here and flowing through somehow. So might have to move the fuel filler. We'll look at that. We can get a better idea now of the back end. We strip this out, and obviously the plan, the vision is to have the exhaust, high level exhaust out here. So we're gonna have to remake all this panel. We've been playing around with some ideas and some designs which look really, really good. So I think we're gonna get rid of one of the lights and just have single rear lights, high level exhaust, nice splitter on the back. So we've got a lot of work to do. We'll probably have to cut this panel, if you look in here, so probably have to cut this out to about here, cut this whole section out, and then remake this section so that exhaust can flow up here. Other than that, come around this way. Doesn't actually look bad. We've got a repair to do on the bottom of the wing there. It's rusted through. The door needs a bit of work. We've still got to get the seals back to metal, see where we are with seals. So we need to get the car up in the air, get the wheels off and have a proper look. Another idea, coming back round to the front, is to do something really cool with the aero on this car. And obviously you've got the flow here going through. It'll flow up the splitter and through the rad. Now you've got this little vent here, but we need to exaggerate that. So my plan would be to cut this all the way back here and have some proper aero. But if you have a look inside, it's going to give us a bit of work, because we're going to have to cut all of that section out where the spare wheel would go. So take all this out, which actually I think is just, a lot of it is just riveted in, and the rivets around here. So if we can get this whole top section out here, move this bottle to up here somewhere, and then we can get the bonnet going right in down, so you've got all the flow through the rad straight out of the bonnet. Obviously that helps with aero and mainly the look. I mean, this is never going to be a real proper track car. Obviously it's a road car, show car, but we're going to go for that track theme. So with the bucket seats and obviously the wide Liberty Walk kit, wide wheels. So yeah, so we're going to go all out on the design of the body. So you've got the Liberty Walk kit will stay as it is, but other than that, we're going to play around with some ideas. Interior wise, that's all got to come out now. We're gonna start stripping that in a minute. Strip all the interior, get all the carpet out. It's got some dodgy wiring in the car, so we strip all that out, start again. Here, these little slots are where the original handle was like here, you're seeing it was just like a little pull handle. I want to clean all that up, get rid of that, get rid of the lock. They have a nice little handle under here, like on the modern cars, just a little push with a micro switch, so we can just put your hand there, push, pop the door open. So a lot of the modern Ferraris have gone that way now, just like a little hidden handle. So we'll do that. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it for all the ideas on the body at the minute. Like I say, just wanted to give you a little update where we are. We get stripping now, and hopefully next video we can actually start on the metalwork. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you like, subscribe, hit notifications, follow this series because this car is going to be unreal.
So stiff.
It's old. This car is like an old stiff man.
Huh? Yeah.
Hey. Was there anything hiding under the seat? Any buried treasure?
A bit of wiring, but we're taking all the centre pods away as well.
Yeah, might as well. There is this though, isn't there? These are tools, I'm guessing. In there and everything. Oh no.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, it's a jack. Nice.